Good morning. I'm off to Abu Dhabi. Just about to get in the Uber, flying on Etihad Airways. Going to see what that's like. I've never been on Etihad before, so let's go for a little adventure. Morning, boss. Hey, how are you? Good? Cool. Etihad. Let's go. You only get 7 kilos on the hand luggage with Etihad. So I feel like a bit of a pack horse at the moment. I've got loads of stuff in my coat. I managed to get it down to 7. So, done a bit of a sneaky. Hey boss. Take it. This one. Yeah. Thanks, bro. Yeah, so you only get 7 kilos with Etihad. So I've got loads of stuff in my pockets. Doing a little sneaky. Let's see where we check in. Cool, number 8. Let's go. Good morning.
Morning, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good, how are you?
Can you remove hat, sir?
Yeah. You only have to have hat on because if it goes in the bag, it gets ruined.
You are YouTuber or?
Yeah, YouTuber, yeah.
Okay, Matthew, sir.
Yep.
This is the head of Abu Dhabi, gate number A11, 9:55. We'll start the boarding. 10:20, we'll close the gate.
Okay, thank you very much. Oh my god, after all of that, I didn't even have to weigh the bag. I literally took out loads of stuff as well. I mean, it's full. I was going to bring a case, but anyway, a little tip for you there. If you want to go on a Etihad flight and you only want to take hand luggage, take a rucksack. Cool, I'm going to go through security. Catch you in a bit. Don't know what's going on there, but they're filming something. I want to show you the garden. They've got like a, I don't know, like a garden thing. Don't even know how to explain it. It's like a garden. I'm on the way to the gate now. I'm going to see, I think I go past it. Let's have a look. A11. That's just down there. I'm going to find it. I've got loads of time, so I'm going to go and find it. Yeah, so I'm going down there, but I came early, so I can show at least something of the airport. Excuse me, bro.
Yep.
You know the garden?
Yeah, it's
Where is it far?
It's for a train. You need to take the train.
Take the train?
Let's see.
Okay. Like 5 minutes?
The train is like 5 minutes.
Okay, cool. Done. 5 minutes. Look at this, dude. Got the skills in. Orchard, so it's called the Orchard. That's where I'm going. The Orchard. Might as well show you something. There's going to be nothing in this vlog. More of these dancing robots. They've got to be for kids, them. Who wants a dancing robot? I can see you in the Orchard now. Go show you that and then we'll get on the flight. It looks like they're doing work on it, which is a shame. Got like barriers up there and here. Anyway, go and have a little wander through now. It's cool. Hey guys. Having a little snooze there. Snoozies. It's cool, this. Ice in the middle of an airport. Pretty cool.
I know I shouldn't be in love.
Cool. Let's get on the flight. Nice little garden, that. I mean, nice little orchard, that is. Don't get me flight now. So, like I said before, I've never flown with Etihad. I always normally fly with Qatar Airways. So, I'm interested to see the difference. Let me know in the comments if you've flown with either one, Qatar or Etihad. Welcome to the vlog. Just going to be a little travel vlog, this one. I'm going to do a vlog in Abu Dhabi, and then I'm coming back to Qatar, and then I'm bouncing to Thailand. So yeah, if you enjoy the video, subscribe, like, comment, go and follow my Instagram, all that nonsense. And yeah, let's go get on a flight to Abu Dhabi. I've never been to Abu Dhabi before either, so I'm excited, can't wait. Hey boss. My time is only 1 hour, which I'm happy about.
So sorry, so that you can fill the seat but not the guest. It's we have say unless you have their consent to make a video of that.
It's okay, I won't get that. Yeah. Just then welcome on board. So I'm on the plane. The guy told me I couldn't film any people, so try not to get anyone's faces in the video. But yeah, I'm on the plane. I just wanted to say there's an option on Etihad where you can book for seats free next to you. It's cost you like 40 euro or something. But you can bid. You can put a bid in like 60 euro, 70 euro to try and win 2 free seats next to you. And I've been going back and forth whether I wanted to book the seats or not, and I didn't book it. I just got 2 seats free anyway. What do we have here? Goodies. Yeah, so I was saying, you can pay for 2 seats next to you, but I didn't pay it and I got it anyway, and the plane is so full. So I'm so buzzing with that. Let's see what we get with like sandwich, masala snacks. See you guys. Cool. Let's go. I have no idea what I'm going to do. Well, I mean, I've saved a few places and stuff, like food places and stuff like that I want to do, but I haven't made a solid plan. I'm going to end this travel vlog soon, so if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe, follow my Instagram, like, comment, all that nonsense, and I'll see you in the next one, which will be exploring Abu Dhabi.